Saan ka pwedeng mag-apply ng part-time work as a virtual assistant? So, nag-share ako recently dito sa comment na to. Pag pinindot niyo yan, makikita niyo yung mga top 5 ko na legit VA companies that you can apply to. So, out of those, yung nagtatanggap ng part-time is Next Level Assist. But please take note kay Next Level Assist, hindi siya tuloy-tuloy ng application. Yung application is only open kapag meron po tayong client na naghihintay. Pero kapag walang client, wala din pong, wala rin application na process kasi hindi tayo nagpo-pool ng VAs din sa Next Level Assist. So, based lang sa pasok ng clients yon. But halos lahat, more than 70% ng opening kay Next Level Assist is part-time. Tapos sumatanggap din po kami ng no experience. As long as alam mo yung posisyon. But I'll definitely continuously update kapag may opening sa Next Level Assist ng part-time. What you can do is just check out yung Next Level Assist PH na social media platforms, and then you can also join my Instagram broadcast. Anyway, naputol siya. So, just join my Instagram broadcast channel kasi doon ako nag-update kapag may mga openings for Next Level Assist and also openings for other companies that reach out to me to promote yung mga openings nila. So, just go to my Instagram, look for Mia126, and then join my broadcast channel, and then updates will be there.